Wow, this view's incredible.
I know. Just picture it. Weekend game nights filled with laughter, cozy evenings by the fire, and hosting outdoor dinner parties with friends and family with the Rouge River as your backdrop.
With over 6,200 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, the 3rd floor functioning as an in-law suite, a basement that could serve as an entertainment space. The possibilities are endless.
Exactly. It really is designed with multi-generational living in mind. Perfect for anyone and any lifestyle.
Every room is so spacious and thoughtfully designed, allowing for maximum comfort and functionality.
Plus 3 picturesque balconies, cozy fireplaces on every level. You also have that expansive kitchen, perfect for extended family gatherings. And then to top it all off, you have Lake Ontario and the Rouge Beach right at your doorstep. I mean, it's pretty amazing. Are you ready to see some more?